Shine, shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol Aluminium polish. Note, this product is not recommended for use on anodized or brushed aluminium surfaces. It is, however, recommended for use on untreated aluminium surfaces like alloy wheels, rocker covers, etc. Before starting, it's important to consider the condition of your aluminium surface. If the surface is heavily corroded, we recommend you first use Autosol metal polish to remove the corrosion. If the surface is just dull, then Autosol aluminium polish is your product. So how do we use it? First, clean and dust the dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then use a clean, dry polishing cloth, making sure it's free from any sand or other abrasive particles. Apply a teaspoon or more of Autosol aluminium polish to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimetres at a time, rub the polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. Finish by wiping away the paste with a second clean and dry polishing cloth until you see the shine come up. If necessary, repeat the process a couple of times for better results. And that's it. Thanks for watching and shine on.